In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Samsung laptop is plugged into a charger but it's still not charging. So the first thing you can do, if you can turn on your Samsung laptop, is right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, expand batteries. Now here you should see this battery driver. Simply right click on it and then select uninstall device. Now click uninstall again to confirm. Once you have done that, simply go ahead and restart your Samsung laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if this doesn't work, make sure your Samsung laptop's charger is working. If possible, you can try using it with a different laptop and see if it works. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply hard reset your Samsung laptop. For that, shut down your Samsung laptop and unplug everything including the charger and all the other USB accessories. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button on your Samsung laptop for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug the charger back in and see if your Samsung laptop charges. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.